Hello, this is John from WHMCS. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to configure a domain registrar so that you can automate the sale of domain names. Begin by navigating to Setup, Products/Services, Domain Registrars. On this page is a list of all the supported domain registrars. Find yours and click Activate. In this example, we are using enom. In the fields that have now appeared, enter your registrar account details. The exact details that are required differ per registrar. enom only requires the username and password. Extra options may be available. The test mode option will send commands to the enom test server instead of the real domain registration system. This requires separate registration. The default name servers option will set enom's own name servers on domain registrations instead of your own. Once the account details are entered, click Save Changes. Users of enom now need to complete an additional step. You must contact enom support to add the IP address of your server to their API whitelist. Log into your enom account and click Help. Then launch the support center. Click Submit a ticket and enter your message. It's important you select API from the category drop-down menu. Submit the support ticket and await for enom's response. Once your IP address has been whitelisted, you can start selling domains through WHMCS. Be sure to configure your domain pricing too. That is covered in a separate video tutorial. There are settings in the general settings that influence the whois contact details and name server assignments for standalone domain registrations. Navigate to Setup, General Settings, Domains tab. When this option is ticked, the client's details will be used for all the domain's whois contacts. However, you can untick this box and enter your own details to be used as the billing, admin and tech contacts instead. Finally, click Save Changes and you're done. Thanks for watching.